Okay, guys, we are back again for another section of today's teaching in today's training. So, today we are going to be talking about important checklists before trading. What are the important checklists? These are the things that you need to look out for before entering your market, before trading. It's very important to take note of this. And number one, you identify your market structure. Number two, you identify a break of structure, your order block, and your liquidity grab. The third point, you identify your supply zone if it is a downward trend for sell, or a demand zone if it is an upward trend for buy. Then the fifth one, your mapping. That's what we call mapping. We do not trade a currency in isolation. And correlation. So I will take time to break each and every one of these points one. So first of all, we are going to talk about identifying your market structure. Identifying your market structure. Now we have come to a conclusion that there are only two kinds of market structures that you will want to trade as an institutional trader. Number one is your how is the market structure? What kind of structure is the market? Is it an upward trend or a downward trend? What kind of structure? You want to be very specific on the kind of structure that you are trading. You want to be very clear on the kind of structure you are trading. This is Euro USD. And if you look at this structure, it is on a downward trend. First of all, you need to understand where the market is going to. Now, you know that on a downward trend, what do? We sell. We sell on a downward trend. The market is going down on a downward trend. I hope you can see my screen. The market is on a downward trend. So, you need to understand your market structure. If it's on a downward trend, you buy. If it's on an upward trend, if it's on a downward trend, you sell. If it's on an upward trend, you buy. Now, the second point, you identify your break of structure, your order block, and liquidity grab. Your break of structure, your order block, and your liquidity grab. I like to use line chart because line chart will give you a very clear picture of what is going on in the market. So if you look at this is Euro USD. If you look at this on a daily chart, you can see the line structure very, very well. You can see how the market is going. You can see the structure, how it is going, break, correction, impulse. So you can see that the market is going down. This is impulse. This is your correction move. This is your impulse move. This is your correction move, your impulse move, your correction move, and your impulse move again. So guys, what is your break of structure? You can see here, this is your break of structure here. We have one. This here is a break of structure. This is a break of structure for a downward trend. This right here also is a break of structure. So this is where the market broke down and continued its move on a downward trend. The market broke this structure and it continued its move on a downward. So we want to look out for this move. We want to look out for this move. When the market has broken this structure, we want to know that it's a good time and a good opportunity for a sell. When you are waiting for a trade and you see the market has broken this structure, we want to be patient. We are not in a hurry. When the market has broken the structure up to this point, then you want to go in for a sell. You want to go in for a sell. Whenever you see this, you know that Whenever you see a retesting move and a market forms a new structure, you have to know that this market will eventually break this structure. So you want to be patient. So this is your break of structure. This is your break of structure. This is your break of structure. And for an upward trend also, this is your CHF JPY market. It's on an upward trend. This is the opposite. You can see this is right here is the break of structure. This is your break of structure. This is where the market broke and kept moving upward. So this is your break of structure. This here is your break of structure. This is your break of structure. And on an upward trend, what do? We are buying. We are buying on an upward trend. We are buying on an upward trend. So I hope that is that for identifying break of structure. Now, what do we call an order block? What do we call an order block? There is what we call an order block. An order block is a position in the market that we are expecting the market to get to before making a move upward. Okay guys, I'm currently waiting for this CHF market to do its thing before I go in for a buy. I'm waiting for this market to do its thing before I go in for a buy. And you can see here I set another block here. This right here is a demand zone. This is a demand zone right here. I hope you can see my screen. You can see the green candle, the continuation demand. You can see the continuation demand, the green. So this right here is an order block. This is a position where the market is likely to retest to before making its final push